Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Happy Saturday and good morning to everyone. Today's compilation is going to be on some Tacomas. Here's a third generation Tacoma. This one is getting a set of King's 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks installed with an editF and some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms. This is the fourth gen we worked on previously that's in for a tire rotation. And here's a Rolls-Royce Wraith that we are lowering on some 24s to be given as an early Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day will be on the 10th of May this year. Don't forget to show your mom some love. Here are the Method NV's MR305s in a 17 by 8.5 with the zero offset that we wrapped up in some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. On the fence with getting something done to your Tacoma? Hit us up anytime. Talk to us, we'll take care of you. Contact us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or you can always send us a message through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. Our shop is located in the city of South El Monte. We'd love to hear from you and get your car or truck set up. Next, cement gray 3rd generation Tacoma is in for a spacer lift. We're doing a 3-inch front strut spacer with a 1.95-inch rear lift block. We also include extended U-bolts on this one, and with the specs given, we can guarantee that the factory Toyota Safety Sense system will work properly. In addition to the spacer lift, we're also doing some new wheels and tires on this one. We're going to be installing some TRD Pro style wheels, as you see right here. These are actually authentic, genuine TRD Pro wheels that come off of the Toyota 4Runner. We wrap them up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire, and it clears perfectly fine with this lift. And to enhance the look of the front end, we're also installing a TRD Pro style grille on here with a TSS garnish. That way we can swap over the Toyota Safety Sense sensor and it will still function properly. Do you want to enhance the look of your Tacoma without installing a lift? We also offer wheel and tire packages with proper sizing that will not rub without a lift. We have options for everyone, no matter what your budget may be. Things have changed quite a bit around here due to the COVID-19 situation. We're all wearing masks, regularly disinfecting, and very cautious when it comes to cleanliness to protect our customers and our staff. We make sure that there's no cross-contamination with anything that we touch or do. One thing that definitely has not changed is our commitment to providing quality parts and the installation services to our amazing customers. Thank you very much for your continued support. Would you like a spacer lift, wheel, and tire package for your Tacoma? This is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance the look of your truck. Give us a call. Next up, we have this TRD Sport PRERUNNER Tacoma. This one's in a cement gray color. This one's also going with a spacer lift, same 3-inch front strut spacer with a 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. Spacer lifts retain the factory springs and shocks. In this case, they are the original blue Hitachi shocks. This one's also getting a set of TRD Pro wheels. These were originally designed for the 4Runner TRD Pro that we're installing on here. These come in a 17x7 size with a +4 offset. Let's take another closer look underneath so you can see the lift block with extended U-bolts installed. Swinging over to the front end, you can see the strut spacer installed on top of the top hat. Just to be clear, we highly do not recommend off-roading with this setup. Regular on-road driving is perfectly fine. Here's a look of the TRD Pro wheels once again with the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires installed in a 285/70/17 with a white lettering out. This project is almost complete. We just need to torque the wheels down to spec and bring it out for a quick test drive. We hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you did so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. We'd greatly appreciate that. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell also. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And until next time, which is tomorrow, thank you very much for the privilege of your time, guys, and take care.